is a lovely morning here in Kentucky. Get out of our parking spot. Oh, today is gonna be a pretty easy day. I have something like 10 and a half hours on my 70. I had to call a few minutes ago and get a new fuel stop because I wasn't going to make my original one. So we're going to go to Horse Cave and get fuel, which is 29 miles away. And then we're going to go to the yard in Little Rock because the appointment, the drop window on this in Laredo is for Monday. My dispatcher is already well aware that I couldn't make it on Monday as it was, so we're not even concerned about it. They'll just push it to Tuesday. I've done this load a bunch of times. They reschedule this one easily. It's no big deal. They ship out dozens of these loads a day, so one being late isn't a huge deal. It won't be late, they'll just reschedule it. So we're going to do that. But we're going to go to the yard today because, A, it allows me to recap my hours better. Ooh, it's a pretty sky this morning. It allows me to catch up on some recap hours, and it allows us to do laundry. We are virtually out of laundry. We have not done laundry since we left the house. So, yeah. That's that part about being a minimalist. If you don't want to pay truck stop prices to do laundry, you run out of clothes. And I don't want to pay $5 for one load of laundry when we have like 4 loads of laundry.
Yeah,
so,
and it's 50 cents at the yard
to do a load. If we have, all of our yards have laundry, or all of our big yards have laundry. Some of them is free, but Little Rock is 25 cents to wash. 25 cents to dry, so it costs us 50 cents to do a load, so 4 loads is $2. That's not even the cost to wash one load at a truck stop.
Take the entrance to the right on I-65
See how that works, guys? Yeah.
$2 versus $20.
Exactly, $2 versus $20.
Kind of a no-brainer.
Right. I mean, you know, I'll do a load at a truck stop if I absolutely need it, but we have to wash, like, everything. Like, all of my clothes are dirty. I'm on my last clean shirt. It's time to do bedding, and poor Icarus had upset tummy last night, so we gotta wash the rug, and yeah, it's laundry day. So we're gonna get there as early as we can. We're still on Eastern time for like another 4 miles. We will change into Central time very shortly. It is Sunday, so hopefully traffic in like Nashville won't be bad. This is a no merge. This is a merge into a single lane.
Continue on this road for 28
no
miles.
Traffic. Well, there's some, but it's way back there.
Oh man, I'd hate to see this with high traffic.
It sucks when there's a lot of traffic. It sucks. I wish they just finished this flipping construction through here. Be nice. Be great. Oh, it's foggy. I completely lost my train of thought. Anyway, we will tomorrow. We'll get up. I want to get to New Braunfels at the minimum. To New Braunfels tomorrow. We may be able to get further. We can give it a shot. Depends on what my hours look like. But at the minimum, I want to get to New Braunfels. All right, thing.
Yes.
We gotta go get fuel.
Yes.
We gotta get fuel so we can drive somewhere. And then we gotta cross Nashville. It's Sunday. I might even just go right through Nashville and take it instead of taking the bypass around. Won't be too bad. Okay, let's go. yard in Little Rock. I wonder, hold on just a minute, we might be in the presence of greatness, if this is who I think this is. We're at the yard in Little Rock. I wasn't originally gonna give them my trailer, but it's got a pretty bad air leak when I apply the brakes. So we need that fixed. I think it is. Stop. Are you still recording? Ah, that's fair. Easy, you're picking up a trailer, I'm getting rid of a trailer. Well, I'm not getting rid of it.
Probably couldn't see him since I don't have go-go gadget arm.
That's alright. So, when I apply the brakes, I noticed that when I went to take off, that it was blowing a lot of air back through the brake knobs, which was my first indication that, hey, there's something wrong in the air system. It shouldn't blow that much air through the air knob. It's blowing a lot of air. So I stopped, set the brakes, and then pushed air into the trailer with the red brake. I didn't hear anything. So we had to work out a system to where a thing pushed on the brake pedal, and I went around and listened. And it sounds like it's got a pretty bad leak coming from the one of the brake chambers.
Contrary to popular belief, I'm not totally useless, just mostly.
Oh, no. So we're gonna take this down here to our trailer shop, guys, and let them fix it while we go over to our other yard and get showers and do laundry and
Lots of laundry.
yeah, all that fun stuff. Probably have the shuttle run me over to the Dollar Store while you're doing laundry, so we can get sodas and Advil. And I'm gonna edit, and I believe tonight is upload night. I have to look. And I have not felt good all day. I've been in a really crappy mood because, okay, y'all, so I don't know what it is, but y'all need to slow down today. Slow down. Consistent average speed, especially across Tennessee, was 85. Y'all, I know exactly how fast you're going. I got a radar gun in the truck. I know exactly how fast you are going.
She's not lying about the bad mood. I got the scars to prove it.
Well, yeah, I've been in a bad mood. I had to stop. I had to take a break. I couldn't make it here without a break. But I stopped and laid down for a little while because I have a really bad headache that it just will not go away for some reason. So let's I'm gonna stop over here and we'll go find the shop guys and tell them what's going on with the truck and that we're going to drop it, and then we'll come back and get it in the morning. Does that work?
That works.
Alright, you guys, if you're liking the videos, make sure you're subscribing. Also, I've been saying this wrong for the whole time. Hit the bell icon, that way you guys get notified when new videos come out. You can find me on Twitter, I'm at AshleyLox1. Come hang out with me, all kinds of fun, goofy stuff happens on Twitter. Anyway, got anything, Thing?
Negative.
Say goodnight, Thing.
Good night, Thing.
Good night, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow.